Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the cam cover, breather pipe, the vacuum pipe on this Mini Countryman. This particular model is 2012. So this is the breather pipe here. Okay, we got the new one from BMW for £35. Right, so to start off with, we will have to remove the top mount here, okay, where it's connected to the cam cover. And the reason why we are changing it is that over the period of time it just got deteriorated and it snapped. To start off with, we're gonna remove the air filter box, which is just here. We will also have to remove this part here, so that we can gain access to the, we've got the access to the top connector where it gets connected to the cam cover, but we can't have the access to the bottom side of it, which is this side, the bottom side. 10mm bolt to remove here. One bolt here. Right, so this filter box is sitting on dampers underneath, so we're just gonna pull it open like this. There we go. That's the whole air filter box out of the way. Friends, I've taken the air filter box off, and I've taken this pipe off as well. This is the throttle body pipe here. Okay, so that's been taken, but I've got the feeling that we'll have to get to it from underneath, so we'll have to jack the car up and then access the bottom connector from underneath. Right friends, there we go. Just gonna point out, that's the vacuum pipe bottom mount is. So we're just gonna disconnect it now. Right friends, we'll also have to remove this throttle body here, and we are using T25 to undo these two bolts. There's one here and one here at the back. There we go, that's one bolt. There's one here. Well, that's second bolt, and sorry, I apologize, there's another bolt as well to remove. There are three of them. There we go friends, that's the third bolt. So we're just gonna remove the throttle body on the side just gonna move it this way a bit. And now we've got more access to this vacuum pipe. Pull the pipe out from here. There you go. What I've already done is, as I showed you before, I've moved the throttle body on the side as well. That's going to give us more space. There we go. So that is the pipe. I had to snap the bottom bit. There we go, friends. That's the old pipe. Just wanted to show you why we are changing it. Is that, look, it's just snapped from here in the middle. Just here. Okay. Here comes our new pipe. Okay. So we gonna very carefully route it round. The way it goes in is like this. Right, friends, there we go. We have routed the pipe through a very tight space. Okay, so now we're just gonna clip it into the bottom pipe. And there we go. We're gonna connect the top vacuum pipe connector. There we go. Hear the click? Okay, that's nice and tight. Right, friends, there we go. We have fitted the vacuum pipe. So now we're gonna scale the throttle body back to the place where it just come out from. 3 bolts to secure it. One goes here, one goes under here. Okay, so we're gonna hand tighten these bolts before we tighten them with the ratchet. So the 3rd bolt goes here. Right, friends, there we go. We're just gonna tighten these 3 bolts. So we're just gonna tighten them evenly. There we go, friend. That's nice and tight. Right, just gonna tighten the 3rd bolt. Okay, there we go. That's the throttle body nicely secured. All 3 bolts are nice and tight. Right, friends, so we have secured the throttle body. So now we're gonna secure this pipe here. Okay, so just gonna tighten the Jubilee clamp. There we go, that's good enough, nice and tight. So the next bit is to fit the air filter box, and that's gonna be the last procedure. Right, so just gonna skew this side first. There we go. That's how it sits on the dampers underneath. So now we're gonna secure these two bolts. One here and one there. And that's gonna make the job complete. One bolt here, 10 mil. One here. Gonna secure the air filter box bolt. There we go, that's the air filter box bolt tighten. There we go, that's that tighten nice little. There we go friends, job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.